In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated abandoned checkout emails in Shopify. Abandoned checkout emails are one of the easiest ways to win back sales. When someone adds items to their cart and leaves before finishing payment, a timely reminder can bring them back. Shopify makes this simple with a built-in automation, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to look for. First, head to shopify.com and sign into your store's admin. You'll land on your Shopify dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Marketing. This area is your command center for campaigns and automations, and it's where Shopify groups all the tools that help you attract, engage, and convert customers. Inside Marketing, click Automations. This tab shows recommended flows you can use right away. One of the most useful options here is Recover Abandoned Checkout. It's a pre-built workflow designed to send a follow-up email to shoppers who started checkout but didn't complete it. On Recover Abandoned Checkout, click Review Email. The review screen lets you preview the message and make sure it matches your brand voice and visuals. Check the subject line and pre-header text first, make them clear and benefit-driven so customers recognize your store and feel encouraged to return. Look over the body content to confirm the tone is friendly and helpful, and ensure the dynamic placeholders such as the customer's name or cart link are present so the message feels personal and takes the shopper straight back to their checkout. Also verify key details like your sender name and reply to address so responses go to the right inbox. If your store requires a physical mailing address in the footer for compliance, confirm it's accurate. Finally, note the send timing displayed in the review. Shopify typically suggests a sensible default, and earlier reminders tend to recover more carts. If you are currently on a free trial, you may see a notice that marketing automations aren't available yet. In that case, you'll need to upgrade your plan to actually activate and send this automation. Even while on trial, it's still worth reviewing the email content and planning your copy so you're ready to go live as soon as you upgrade. That's it. Open Shopify, go to Marketing, choose Automations, and review the Recover Abandoned Checkout email so it's on brand, clear, and ready. Once your plan allows automations, this will work in the background to recover lost revenue with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you turn more abandoned checkouts into completed orders.